Politics is very fishy business. तुम्हाला काय वाटतंय लाडकी बहीण चांगली स्कीम आहे की नाही? ही लाडकी बहीण आणि सगळ्यात पैसे घेतले की नाही तुम्ही 1500 रुपये? लाडकी बहीण स्कीम मिळाली की नाही तुम्हाला पैसे? Are you being used to take on Ajit Pawar as part of this war between Sharad Pawar and Ajit?
No.
We all see it as a fight for Baramati ka boss kaun. Namaskar, hello and welcome to this Maharashtra Maza special once again, coming to you this time from the historic city of Pune. We've been traveling and crisscrossing Maharashtra as the elections approach this big battleground state to get you voices from the ground, traveling on our special chopper. And one word is being repeated time and again across Maharashtra, Ladki Bahin. The Eknath Shinde government scheme to provide 1,500 rupees to poor women is becoming a politically contested issue. The opposition says a desperate government is trying to bribe the voters. The government claims this is part of their social beneficiary scheme for poor women. What's the reality on the ground? How are the women and men looking at the Ladki Bahin scheme in Maharashtra? Could this be a game changer? That's going to be our big talking point. Listen in first to voices from the ground. नमस्कार, कसे आहात मॅडम? तुम्हाला ती लाडली बहीण मिळते की नाही?
नाही
का नाही?
नाही, आम्हाला नाही मिळेल.
का नाही?
काय माहिती, नाही मिळले तर नाही
तुम्ही अप्लाय केलं की नाही?
करलेला
पण मग
नाही आलेले ते काय आता.
अजूनपर्यंत आलं नाहीये. धंदा कसा चाललाय? तुम्ही ते लाडली बहीण मध्ये पैसे घेतले की नाही? हा? का नाही घेतले?
आम्हाला लाडक्या बहिणीचे पैसे नको आहेत.
नकोय? काय पाहिजे नाही मग?
आम्हाला नको पैसे.
पैसे नको मग काय पाहिजे? पैसे का नाही?
नाही आम्ही घेतले, आम्ही फार्मा नाही भरले.
नकोय तुम्हाला पैसे? माशाचे पैसे कसे मिळतात? होत आहे की नाही? काय खरेदी होते की नाही?
होते होते.
तुम्ही लाडकी बहीण मध्ये अप्लाय केलेलं की नाही?
नाही केलेले
का?
नाही, आम्ही आमच्या पायावर उभे आहोत. लाडक्या बहिणी
पायावर हो, तुम्हाला नकोय लाडकी बहीण?
नको नको.
प्रॉब्लेम काय तुमचा?
सगळ्यात प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे काय, आज जवान मुलं आज रिकामी आहेत, घरात बसलेले आहे, शिक्षण घेतलेलं आहे, सगळं घेतलेलं आहे. आज आई वडील रडतायत आणि हे असे कष्ट करतायत. आज आमचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे मोठा. त्यांना नोकऱ्या द्या, काहीतरी करा त्यांच्यासाठी.
तुम्ही सांगताय कुठली पण सरकार आली नोकरी द्या.
हा बरोबर आहे. हो,
पैसे नकोयत?
पैसे नको आम्हाला. आमच्या मुलांनी कष्ट करायची हिंमत आहे आमच्या अंगात. फक्त आमच्या मुलांना नोकऱ्या द्या. जवान मुलं जिकडे तिकडे भटकतायत. आज एवढा मेरीटाईम बोर्ड इथे भरती करून एवढे लोक पोट भरत होते. आज भिकारी झालेले आहेत सगळी लोक. काय त्यांना 6 महिने 8 महिने नोकऱ्या देणार कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसिसवर 10,000च्या पगारासाठी आणि परत बसा तुम्ही घरी 4 महिने. हे अशा नोकऱ्या काय सरकार असं करतं काय? सांगा तुम्ही मला.
अरे पण 1500 रुपये तुम्हाला देतात आहे सरकार.
नको आम्हाला. त्या 1500 रुपयात आम्ही नाही काय हे करत आहे.
तुम्हाला काय वाटतंय लाडकी बहीण चांगली स्कीम आहे की नाही?
लाडकी बहीण चांगली स्कीम आहे, पण नाही वाटत. कारण लाडक्या बहिणीपेक्षा सरकारने आम्हाला म्हणजे आम्ही जे बेरोजगार आहोत त्यांच्यासाठी ज्या जागा आहेत MPSCच्या ह्याच्या त्या जास्त वाढवून द्याव्यात आणि आम्हाला रोजगार उपलब्ध करून द्यावा.
तुम्हाला रोजगार पाहिजे?
रोजगार
पण किती लोकांना रोजगार मिळेल? गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब तेवढे नाहीये.
गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब नाही, पण रोजगाराच्या संधी, विकास कामं आणा तुम्ही. त्याच्यातून आम्हाला म्हणजे नवीन आता MIDC किंवा काहीतरी असे उद्योग आणा, त्याच्यातून आम्हाला जाता येईल त्याच्यामध्ये.
कसं चाललंय? बिझनेस चाललाय की नाही?
चाललंय.
हे लाडकी बहीण आणि सगळ्यात पैसे घेतले की नाही तुम्ही 1500
नाही
रुपये?
नाही, आम्हाला नको. आम्ही कष्टाचे घेणार.
कष्टाचं काम आहे.
हा, कष्टाचा काम.
पण तुम्हाला हे पैसे नको आहेत 1500 रुपये?
नको नको आम्हाला.
का?
नको नको
अरे सरकार देते.
नको आम्हाला. सरकारचे पैसेच नको आम्हाला.
एकनाथ शिंदेची सरकार आहे, उद्धव ठाकरे आहेत. कोण तुमचे?
असू नये.
तुम्हाला कोण आवडतं दोघांपैकी?
आम्हाला सर्व आवडतात.
हा पण वोट कोणाला, मत कोणाला देणार मग?
आम्ही सर्वांना देणार.
सर्वांना कसं देणार?
हा, एक वर्षी त्याला देणार, एक वर्षी त्याला देणार, सर्वांना देणार.
एक वर्षी याला आणि एक वर्षी दुसऱ्याला. अरे काय काकी, मला हे सांगा, लाडकी बहीण मध्ये तुम्हाला पैसे मिळाले की नाही?
आम्ही नाही घेतले.
का नाही घेतले?
आमची मेहनत करून खायची ताकद आहे, ते पैसे आम्हाला नको.
मेहनत घेऊन करणार. पूर्ण मार्केटमध्ये तुम्ही काय युनियन केलंय का?
नाही, इथे लोक
सगळ्यांनी केलं की आम्हाला पैसे
मेहनत
नकोय?
ते लोक पैसे नको आम्हाला.
नको?
ते आम्हाला 10-20 रुपये भेटत, ते जरा बी.
तर काय पाहिजे सरकारकडून मग?
सरकार सर्वांचा चांगला करून दे, रस्ते बनवू दे, लोक गरिबांना मदत करू दे, शेतकऱ्यांना मदत करू दे, हीच अपेक्षा आहे. शिक्षणासाठी काहीतरी करू दे, गरीब मुलं आहेत त्यांच्या शाळा वगैरे बनवू दे,
एक
लाईट
बाजूला
बिल कमी होऊ दे.
असे आज सगळे ठीक ना? लाडकी बहीण घेतली की नाही पैसे तुम्ही? सर तुम्ही घेतले? किती मिळाले? 7,500. खुश आहात की नाही? हा, मग शिंदे सरकार बरोबर खुश आहात की? हा, पण तुला वाटलं सरकारने चांगलं केलंय की नाही? हे पैसे देऊन चांगलं केलंय?
चांगलं केलं.
हे घेतले का 1500?
1500 7,500 रुपये भेटले की
मग खुश की नाही?
खुश आहो, पण बाकीचं धान्य वाढवलं नाही ना, सगळ्यावर पैसे महागाई वाढवला नाही.
महागाई वाढवली.
महागाई वाढवला नाही.
लाडकी बहीण स्कीम मिळाली की नाही तुम्हाला पैसे?
मिळाले.
तुम्ही खुश आहात की नाही? महागाई कम करायची की लाडकी बहीणचे पैसे पाहिजे?
तर आता लाडक्या बहिणीला बी दिल्यात भावानी म्हणल्यावर आता आम्हाला मान्य करावंच लागणार ना.
महागाई कम करा. लाडकी बहिणीने इथनं मागं कुणी काही दिलं ते पण विचार करणार की बायका.
स्कीम चांगली आहे,
हा,
पण आपल्या महागाई सुद्धा कमी व्हायला पाहिजे ना. 1500 रुपयामध्ये काय होणार ना?
लाडकी बहीण स्कीम चांगली आहे की नाही?
मला तर ते पटतच नाही.
का नाही पटत?
केलेलंच नाही.
का नाही?
नाहीच. काय त्यांचं हे सत्ता आहे त्यावर ते करणार. नंतर विषय काय, 1500 रुपये कुणाला पुरल्यात? कुणाला पुरल्यात? 5 मिनिटात बाई 1500 रुपये मिळाले.
गॅसचे दर वाढले, तेलाचे दर वाढले, सगळी महागाई वाढली.
करायला नाही.
लाडकी बहीण चांगली स्कीम आहे की नाही सरकारची? 1500 रुपये
चांगली आहे, पण
स्कीम चांगली आहे.
महंगाई पण वाढले ना, महंगाई कमी झाली पाहिजे ना.
Ladki Bahin has been announced by the government. Is it good or not so good? Do you think you should have scheme like Ladki Bahin? What do you think?
No need.
No need?
No need.
But poor women may need it, you may not.
I'm a taxpayer, but still I'm poor. That does not mean I don't need money. Just because I'm a taxpayer, I won't be getting Ladki Bahin funds. It does not mean I'm not poor.
So are you
Or I
supporting
have-
Ladki Bahin or not?
Definitely not.
Why?
The payment is going from the taxes which I pay. Am I getting anything in return? I am not. I'm not getting development in my city. I'm not getting good infrastructure. Nothing good is happening for my kids from infrastructure point of view. I'm paying taxes to the government, but I'm not getting anything in return. People who are not paying taxes are getting a lot of money in return.
I've come to find out how the cotton charkha is now working. तुम्हाला लाडकी बहीण मध्ये काय मिळतं की नाही? मिळाले? लाडकी बहीण मिळालं की नाही? आणि आता काँग्रेस म्हणते ते महालक्ष्मी देणार, कोण 2100 शिंदेच्या सरकार म्हणाले ते देणार. तुम्हाला वाटतं चांगलं केलं की नाही सरकारने?
चांगलं केलं.
हा?
चांगलं केलं.
तुम्हाला पैसे मिळाले, तुम्ही खुश आहात? हा? वोट कोणाला देणार?
कमळला देणार.
का?
मग आम्हाला लाडकी बहिणीला पैसे मिळाले सगळं, आता ते पण पुन्हा वाढवणार आहे.
लाडकी बहीणला मिळालं आणि काँग्रेस म्हणते ते 3000 देतील.
3,000 आता तेच देत होते तर पहिले त्यांनाच द्यावं लागेल ना.
हा?
त्यांनाच द्यावं लागेल.
अच्छा, त्यांनी सुरुवात केली त्याला ऍडव्हान्टेज आहे.
नाही तर काय.
हाँ? नमस्कार. आपको लगता है लाडकी बहन स्कीम जो सरकार ने किया अच्छी बात है, नहीं अच्छी बात है?
नहीं अच्छी बात.
क्यों?
क्या करेंगे मुफ्त का लेने से? अब
नहीं अच्छी बात.
1500 मिलेंगे ना, लेकिन महीना का 2000 खर्चा होगा ना.
लाडकी बहीण स्कीम सुरू झाली आहे, चांगली आहे नाही चांगली? व्हायला पाहिजे की नाही? का नाही? का नाही? क्यों नहीं?
फ्री में जो पैसे मिल रहे हैं उसकी वैल्यू क्या रहेंगी? और हमने देखा है बहुत सी ऐसी लेडीज है जो घर से मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करती है, लेकिन फिर भी वो पैसा उठा रही है. फिर उसके बारे में क्या है?
आपल्याला काय वाटतं? व्हायला पाहिजे नाही व्हायला पाहिजे?
आम्हाला तर लाभच नाही मिळत ना सर.
आपको लाभ नहीं मिल रहा है, आप उस स्कीम में नहीं है. अच्छा, आप सरकारी नौकरी में है, पर आप खुश है कि नहीं सरकार से?
खुश है.
हाँ, एकनाथ शिंदे से खुश है? हाँ?
हाय, खुश आहे.
चांगलं काय केलंय सरकारने?
काय चांगलं, सगळंच चांगलं आहे. आम्हाला
सगळंच चांगलं
बोनस
आहे.
सुद्धा नाही दिला.
अच्छा, ये बताइए, लाड़की बहन होनी चाहिए या नहीं होनी चाहिए? मैं महिलाओं को पूछ रहा हूँ, आपको लगता है होनी चाहिए?
हा
नाही
सर, अच्छी बात आहे. लाडकी बहीण योजनेचे सर
व्हायला पाहिजे.
व्हायला पाहिजे.
काय फायदा आहे?
पण ते लेडीज जे आहे त्यांचं कुटुंबाचं उदरनिर्वाह करू शकते 1500 रुपयाचं.
वो कह रहे 1500 रुपए से महिला को कुछ तो मिल रहा है.
सर काम चाहिए, पैसा कितने दिन देंगे आप? 2 महीना 6 महीना, पूरी लाइफ टाइम तो नहीं दे सकते. तो बेटर है उनको काम चाहिए.
कांग्रेस तो 3000 बोल रही है, ये 1500 बोल रही है. ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा तो
तो सर ये हर बार इलेक्शन जब आता है उसी टाइम क्यों चालू होती है सब स्कीम?
मॅडम आप बताइए, लाडकी बहीण स्कीम व्हायला पाहिजे नाही व्हायला पाहिजे?
लाडकी बहीण स्कीम
तुम्हाला मिळतात की नाही पैसे?
फक्त स्कीम बद्दलच बोलायचं आहे का दुसरं काही बोलू
नाही,
शकतो?
तुम्ही बोला ना, काय तुमच्या समोर सर्वात मोठा प्रश्न काय आहे?
आम्हाला लाडकी बहीण योजनाही नको, आम्हाला हाफ तिकीटही नको. द्यायचं असेल तर शेतकऱ्यांच्या मालाला भाव द्या.
इंटरेस्टिंग दॅट दिस
नाही,
लेडी सेज.
आम्हाला पीक विमाही नाही पाहिजे, काही नाही पाहिजे. जो आहे जर किंवा जेवढे काही कर्मचारी लोक आहे यांना जर शेतकऱ्यांची जर जाणीव करायची असेल तर सर्वांनी 2-2 एकर शेती वाहून बघा आणि नंतर त्यांना शेतकऱ्यांची किंमत समजेल.
ये बताइए, अच्छा लाडकी बहीण स्कीम होनी चाहिए नहीं होनी चाहिए?
होनी चाहिए.
सरकारशी तुम्ही खुश आहात की नाही? सर्वात मोठा प्रश्न काय तुमच्या समोर?
आज म्हणजे प्रश्न म्हणजे कोणता? आता सर्व महागाई वाढली ना.
महागाई वाढली आहे.
मग महागाई मुळेच तर सर्व हे झालं. ते का ते लाडक्या बहिणीचे पैसे कोणाला मिळाले कोणाला नाही मिळाले. सर्वच थोडी त्यांना 5 ते 7 हजारामध्ये का होऊन राहिलं. त्याच्यापेक्षा सरासरी कापसाले आपल्या मालाला भाव दिला असता तर सर्वच हे झालं असतं. आता सर्व पेट्रोल महाग, सर्वच महाग आहे ना.
तुमच्या समोर सर्वात मोठा मुद्दा काय आहे? महागाईचा की तुम्हाला लाडकी बहीण मध्ये पैसे मिळाले? ते
महागाई वाढली,
महागाई वाढली पण पैसे पण मिळाले तुम्हाला?
पैसे पण मिळाले. मग पैसे काढत आहे ना सरकार, दिले त्यांनी. पण काढत आहे ना ते. महागाई वाढवली ना, लाडकी बहीण भेटली तर
तुम्हाला हे 1,500 सरकार देते.
1,000 रुपये दिले आणि तेलाचा डबा 2300 रुपयाला केला. आम्ही लेकराबाळाला कशी दिवाळी करून खाऊ घालायची? आम्ही इतकं काबाड कष्ट शेतीमध्ये करायचं, तितकं करून आमचे लेकराबाळ छोटे छोटे तिकडे ठेवून यायचे. आम्ही पोटासाठी इकडे पण काम करायचं. आणि
तुमची फॅमिली तिथेच आहे बीड मध्ये?
सगळे
तुम्ही
family
सोडून
आहेत.
तुमची मुलं कुठे आहेत?
आमचे मुलं आमच्या सासू बशीत. भाव वाढलाय का एवढ्या ह्याचा त्यातला तर वोट देणारच नाही.
So is Ladki Bahin the big game changer of the 2024 Maharashtra elections, or is Mehengai the real issue that confronts women across households? That's the big question we want to raise here in Pune. I'm joined by Dr. Shama Mohammed, National Spokesperson of the Congress Party, by Vinita Deshmukh, journalist and RTI activist based here in Pune, and Sukanya Iyer is spokesperson of the BJP in Maharashtra. Thank you all very much for joining us. All women panel, all Ladki Bahins in a way. Welcome to the show. Give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. I will ask the simple question. Shama Mohammed, more than 2 crore women have benefited from Ladki Bahin, 7,500 coming into their pockets over the last 4 months. Will you concede that this has given a huge advantage in narrative terms to the Eknath Shinde government?
I will not concede that. First, Rajdeep, let's understand that we started this in Karnataka, as you know very well, and we have empowered 1.2 crore women in this time. But the issue is when we started it, the Prime Minister of India called it Revdi. He clearly said this is Revdi. My question today to them, the Bharatiya Janata Party, you are saying there is Viksit Bharat, Amrit Kal, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, all these things. Why are you then bringing in Ladli Behna in the last 2 to 3 months? You should have got it in before. My question is, why did you not get it before? Why is it done for election purpose? And Dhananjay MP, let me finish. He said in a rally, photo kicho, take the photograph of those women who are in Congress rally and gave it to me, and then I will see to it that they don't get it. So is this a bribe, Rajdeep? Sir Desai, I want to know, is Bharatiya Janata Party bribing? How dare he says that if you go and attend a Congress rally, we will not give you Ladli Behna. It is for everyone. It is for each and every one if you want
He
to
has
give
apologized for that statement.
No,
This
but
is
that
Dhananjay
is
Mahadik.
he mean.
Okay.
That is what he means.
You are
that
saying
is what
it's
you're saying.
Okay.
It's a bribe to get vote. That is what I'm
You're
telling
saying
you.
it's goose.
Yes.
आप कह रहे हो लाडकी बहन घूस है.
Yes.
Madam, you want to respond?
We-
Miss Iyer, you want to respond?
Why didn't they start it before? My question today is, why are they starting 2 months before election? If you really wanted to help the people of Maharashtra, the women of Maharashtra, you've been in power more than 2.5 years. You should have started it before.
Okay, let her respond. Ma'am, respond.
Good
Is
evening,
this a
everyone.
bribe? Are you
Namaskar.
bribing the women?
जय महाराष्ट्र, जय जय भवानी, जय जय शिवाजी. Okay.
What is the connection between that and the question, madam?
Yeah, I will come to that.
But please go. Go ahead.
So, as your question, coming to your question, the Maaji Ladki Behan Yojana is a very important yojana which empowers every underprivileged woman across Maharashtra. The state of Maharashtra, we walk the talk. We are not here to do any fake promises. We are not here to create fake narratives. We have walked the talk. We have directly credited the amount to the Aadhaar linked, through DBT. So, this scheme is, which is availed to those women across Maharashtra, especially underprivileged sections between 21 years to 65 years.
No, but how did you discover it only after the Lok Sabha defeat? Suddenly you realized that Maharashtra की महिलाओं को empower करना है.
It is not that we have suddenly discovered or something. It has been happening. Our government, our Mahayuti Sarkar believes that, women of Maharashtra definitely need empowerment.
She did not intervene with you.
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead, madam.
Thank you so much. So we always felt that our underprivileged sections of the women, they are deprived of all, economic freedom, health, nutrition. This amount will definitely empower them, give them economic
independence. You didn't answer my question. How did you all wake up to this only in June
of 2024? It's not waking up. It was there for quite some time.
There was no such
designing them.
Okay.
So we have been designing them.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
It is not a lie.
Ma'am, Shama Mohammed, 1 minute. You must... Vinita Deshmukh. Okay. Okay, you're saying it's a lie. 1 minute, ma'am. You're saying you are committed to the women of Maharashtra.
We are committed.
Okay.
And we have walked the talk.
Oh, you have walked the talk. Okay.
Till November.
Let's be honest. Okay.
Yeah.
Vinita Deshmukh, I have been traveling across the state. Most women I meet are happy कि हमको 1500 मिल गए. The only thing they tell me, सरकार एक हाथ से देती है, दूसरे हाथ से लेती है. कि तेल का दाम बढ़ गया, सोयाबीन का ऑयल का दाम बढ़ गया, केरोसिन का. What is the truth? Do you believe that at the end of the day, women need empowerment, and one way to empower them is give them cash so that they can at least feel a little sense of economic freedom? The truth is between the two of them.
Actually, the truth is much worse. Maharashtra is in 6 lakh crore deficit. All the roads are in dire straits. A journalist turned activist who is now a grassroots worker in education and health has found pathetic condition in all the public primary and high schools across Maharashtra, where some schools do not have money to buy chalk, where all the non-teaching staff are sacked and they are not re-employed, where teachers, once they retire, the vacancies are not filled, where teachers have to do first jhadu pocha, there is no peon, and then they have to teach. The whole schools are in dilapidated condition. The public health is in dilapidated condition. When we are facing such a crisis, the BJP alliance government suddenly wakes up to give, yes, it's a bribe. And I tell you, it has really clicked. Because whenever I've gone to the banks, the entire government machinery, besides the bank administration, has been extremely efficient. In my house, all the maids are thrilled because they've already got 4,500 rupees and I think they've got some Diwali bonus.
So they are happy. They are happy with it then.
They are happy. And now the worst part is that in case the other opposition alliance wins, they are going to get even more. So there is a big tussle.
That's exactly it. You are blaming them for giving 1,500. You have also woken up and
both
said,
are same, both
हम
are
आपको 3,000 रुपए देंगे.
Okay.
ये 1,500, I will give 3,000.
Okay, so
Maharashtra
and
budget,
they have increased to 2,100.
No, as she's right, Maharashtra's debt is going up. It will cross 7 lakh crores. I've been traveling across. School बराबर नहीं है, hospital बराबर नहीं है, रास्ते बराबर नहीं है, लेकिन लोगों के पॉकेट में डालेंगे 1,500, 3,000. You are also bribing them.
So
their bribe is matched by your bribe.
First and foremost, she lied. She said that we have started before. They started last 2 months. Let's understand the truth.
July.
Number two, in Karnataka, we started because there was a BJP 40% sarkar before that. So they finished off the economy. We had to help out the women. Same thing happened in Telangana. There was another sarkar. So we started.
All these schemes are financially ruinous.
No, no.
45,000 crores, you could build so many better schools
So let
and
me-
hospitals provide
Rajdeep,
jobs.
Rajdeep-
लोगों को नौकरी नहीं है. नौकरी
Rajdeep-
दे दो, रोजगार चाहिए महाराष्ट्र में.
Rajdeep, let me finish
Has
this.
they been
No, I
One
did
minute,
not
one minute,
interrupt.
ma'am.
When the gas prices are so high,
Yes.
when the petrol prices are high, when there's diesel prices are high, when there's GST on milk, 5% GST on milk, dal, atta, everything you do, we have no other way but we need to empower the women. When you give money directly into their bank account, this helps them in the coming time.
What is
Let's
the difference
understand
between
that.
their 1,500 and your 3,000?
Their 1,500 is started 2 months before. They were in power. They could have started
You are
much
starting
before.
it if you get
we
elected.
are starting it. We have started in Karnataka and we are continuing with it.
Why
We have
didn't you
not
do it
stopped
when you were in the
Let me
government in
tell you,
Maharashtra?
Let me ask you one thing.
आपका भी 2.5 साल का सरकार था.
So
You could
when
have
we
given
were
it then.
in the government of Maharashtra, the economy was much better. Now every industry, let me tell you,
That's
when
not
they
true.
started, let me finish, Rajdeep, you are interrupting
please.
me. When they started this Ladli Behna, Ajit Pawar was against it. Who is there? He said we do not have the money. Now we, the Congress party, are the ones who started the Food Security Act. We showed the country we had the money. We started Manrega. We showed the country we had the money. We have proven that we are able to do it. Now their issue is, let me tell you, they talk about Amrit Kal Viksit Bharat. I'm asking you, if there is Amrit Kal Viksit Bharat, you're giving saris for women, you're giving utensils for women, you're giving construction workers kits. Now I want to ask them that if there is so much development in Maharashtra, why do you need to do this? The women are empowered.
Ma'am, you made your point. Ms. Iyer, please respond to this. The fact is being
And
said
Revidi,
again.
let me tell
No,
you,
no,
ask
ek
her,
minute.
when the Prime Minister, why does he say Revidi in Karnataka and now it is not Revidi?
Okay, you
That
made,
is- they never
madam,
answer this.
let her respond. Miss Iyer, is this a revdi? Is this simply ki you cannot provide people rozgar, to thoda paisa de do. You cannot bring down prices, thoda paisa de do.
So it
This is
not
an
true.
election
This
bribe.
is not true that we are doing it for election or something. Our Mahayuti Sarkar is very much committed to empowering every section of the society. Whether it is from Ladki Behan or we also had Bhai Yojana, we had every section of the society being empowered. The aim of Maji Ladki Behan was when we saw that underprivileged sections of the society, especially the women across Maharashtra, they were deprived of their basic health, nutrition and other
Who
facilities.
deprived them? Who deprived them?
We
They are
were-
in power.
No, we were
She's
there.
saying
You were there
deprived.
within 2
They
years.
are in power.
You were there
They are
within
deprived.
2
Madam,
years.
not- you're
You were
again
there within 2
intervening.
years. You never allowed anything. You stalled all the infrastructure projects.
I will give you
In this
data.
span of 2 years, we have walked the talk. For the last 4-5 months, we have they've credited their amount, entire amount, till today, till...
Can I
before the water
ask you,
contact.
can I ask you though, for a woman, and I meet fisher women who work 5 a.m. to 5 p.m., what they really need is jobs. They want better facilities. They want fish markets to be better. They want their children to get jobs. They want real wages. They fear that your government will stop this soon after the
No,
election.
it is
You
not
win
like
the
that.
election, you will stop
No,
it.
it is never like
Are you
that.
giving me an assurance you will
Yeah,
not
no,
stop
we
this
will
after
never,
the
we
election?
have never done that and we will never do that.
You will never stop
We
this
have
scheme.
never
This is
done
a
that.
permanent scheme.
Yes, we are. And we have already told that it will be continued in the month of
So
December.
Maharashtra's debt can keep going up.
No, it
You
is
will
not
continue.
like that.
Okay.
It is not like
Where,
that.
Vinita, you know, the fact is it easy to say, let's put money in health, let's put money in education? At the end of the day, I come back to it. Women do also need to be empowered. If I get 1,500 rupees, it means a lot. As you said, the people who work in your house or people who work in the village, they feel at least they've got something in tough times.
Yeah, definitely. And I wish the BJP alliance would give it from their pocket. Anyway, they have got collected so much in the electoral bonds. So where do they give this money from? From our hard tax money which we give the government. What right do they have that they will give a certain Ladki? And what is Ladki Behan? When 4-year-olds were molested in Thane, at that time, because it was a BJP leader's school, the school's name was not brought up. There was no, that fellow ran away. That time, he is a Ladki Bhau. When the Chhatrapati Shivaji statue fell down, the guy disappeared because he was a chief minister's son's friend. So that time, there are no Ladki. These are the Ladki Bhaus and these are the Ladki Bahins who have got influence, who can do all the crime and get protected. Whereas women, girls, they are suffering from anemia. They do not get in Sassoon Hospital. There's a major scam of free medicines where poor people have to spend for X-ray and MRI and medicines. So what about those Ladki Bahens? They are in penury when they go for their deliveries. Is this called? And the Congress is no better. Instead of saying that we will improve Maharashtra if we come to power, they are now going on increasing Ladki Behan, the youth.
Mahalakshmi, they have started Mahalakshmi.
Wherever they know, my point is this. You know, after COVID, how many thousands of families, the teenage boys and girls, have stopped education. Where were you that time? That time you didn't give for the youngsters, funded their education.
You know, the important point that is there, कि असली सवाल है ना, महाराष्ट्र में जहां भी जाता हूं लोग कहते हैं कमीशन पे सब कुछ होता है. ये कमीशन राज का स्टेट बन गया है, भ्रष्टाचार. जितना पैसा वो आप नेताओं को मिलता है ना, उतना पैसा हम जनता को दे दो. Everything will be fine. The point at the moment, Shama Mohammed, is you are taking, as Vinita said, taxpayers' money. 45,000 crores of taxpayers' money is going into a scheme which BJP says will be there forever.
It will be over 1 lakh crore.
And it will be now over 1 lakh crore if you give 3,000 rupees.
Okay.
Why don't you give a scheme ki naukri kaise milegi?
I'll tell you something.
How will you empower people through jobs? None of you talk about jobs because you can't give jobs anymore in Maharashtra.
No, she talked about health issue. We are giving now a health insurance in our guarantees of 25 lakh. We understand that. So when
that's for elections. That's for elections.
1 second. Let me we continue the same thing in our guarantees in Karnataka are continuing. Our guarantees in Telangana are continuing. So what we are saying is that we continue with our guarantees. We don't stop the guarantees in between. Now Rajdeep Sardesai, this 25 lakh, before we used to give subsidies. Remember that we used to have subsidies. The subsidies have stopped because subsidies, there's a lot of leakage. So we're giving it directly to the women. We are also going to be giving gas cylinders at 500 rupees for women in a year, those who are in BPL families. We are also giving free bus rides. Now a lot of people go to work.
Are they all going on?
That has helped.
Is a scheme going on in Karnataka?
It has helped 2 lakh.
I'm sorry to say it is not happening.
One minute. Some control. Ma'am, 1 minute. We seem to be entering a freebie culture.
No, 1 second.
1 minute.
Let me finish my point. She interrupted. I'm sorry, I want to finish my point.
What is your point?
One last point.
What is your point?
Now, you keep pointing fingers at us. In 2019, the Modi government reduced the corporate tax from 30% to 22%. So only 1% of this country is having all the wealth because it's corporate. They and also 9 lakh crore, the debt of these big industrialists have been forgiven. Now I'm asking you, the farmer suicides, in this country, there are female farmers.
Who started
More than
it?
20,000 farmers have committed suicide. My
was
question is, why don't you do
Why
don't you mark over the debt? Forgive the debt of the farmers.
Ma'am, see, you're not. Shama Mohammed, you cannot move from one point to the other. But Miss Iyer, 1 minute. Miss Iyer, 1 minute. Miss Iyer, 1 minute. All of you, just a minute. I want to ask you one simple question. I have just a minute. You have to listen to me. I have come from Vidarbha. I have come from Marathwada, where farmers commit suicide. किसान आत्महत्या करते हैं, शेतकरी आत्महत्या करतो. For last 1 minute, madam, stop it now. You cannot intervene like this. The fact is, 25 years, this has been happening in Maharashtra. Every year, thousands of farmers either commit suicide or are in debt. You have not been able to resolve that. Fact is, parts of Maharashtra outside Mumbai, Pune, Nashik are worse than some of the Bimaru states today when it comes to social and economic indices. You have not been able to solve that. And you come at election time, ye free hoga, wo free hoga. You're not solving Maharashtra's problems. Maharashtra ke problems kaun solve karega? That's why the Marathas are asking for Arakshan. That's why the Vanchit Bahujan is saying ki hamara kya hoga? What is going to happen to these groups?
Aren't we doing that?
How?
Rajiv ji, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, Pradhan Mantri jo crop seed jo hai with the free devoid of pesticides, we have given to all the farmers, especially to Vidarbha and other regions of
Madam, आप मेरे साथ आप विदर्भा चलिए, आप मेरे साथ भीड़ चलिए,
मैं भी
हम आपको जाएंगे.
I'm also on the ground. I'm also on the ground. I have my friends, I have on the ground.
1 minute. Maratha activists want to say something.
Yes.
क्वेश्चन पूछिए कि आप जब चुनाव जीतते हैं जब आपका मंत्रिमंडल जब सब ये होता है उस टाइम ही आप ये योजना क्यों नहीं लाते? जब इलेक्शन आता है उसके लास्ट 2 या 3
ऐसा नहीं है. प्रधानमंत्री किसान
अच्छा, ठीक है.
सिंचाई योजना,
वंचित काय म्हणायचं आहे?
जलायुक्त
एक मिनिट,
शिविर, ये
एक
सब
मिनिट बोलो.
बहुत
देखो,
जब
ये
हमारे
जो
देवेंद्र बाबू जो फडणवीस जब मुख्यमंत्री थे तब से
लाडकी
शुरू
बहन
हुआ
की
है.
जो पैसे लाए हैं ये बजट में कोई भी प्रोविजन नहीं था. ये जो पैसा है बार्टी जो बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट को पैसा आता है वहां से, और सोशल वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट से पैसे बच्चों को ऐसा अशिक्षित रखने का और पैसा उनको माँ को देने का ऐसा इनका तरतूद है.
This is not like
What about
that.
young people?
This is not
Do you
at
want
all
this
like
scheme?
that.
1 minute,
This
1
is
minute.
a social welfare scheme.
Okay, ma'am, listen.
This is a social welfare scheme.
Please listen to the
empower
young.
all the
Social
underprivileged.
welfare
Madam,
scheme is started by the Congress party.
1 minute, listen.
But you have not walked the talk.
Madam,
We have
please
walked the
listen.
talk.
Please
We have
listen.
credited in their
Please
account.
listen to young
Now
people.
what? We have
Please
credited
listen,
account
ma'am.
on
Miss Iyer, you have to
everything.
listen.
So far around 24.32 million
Madam,
beneficiaries.
he has to
have
listen.
done.
Madam, you can't. Please allow people to
Yes,
talk.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Okay, so it was discovered that bloodworms were found in Mulamuta's water that is supplied to majority of the Pune area. And so none of that money you're giving is used to solve problems for the general public.
What would you like the money to be spent on?
Instead of giving money to women who potentially don't even have that financial autonomy to use that money for themselves, invest it into something that will actually make impact. And no women...
Give me an example. What would you like the money to be invested in? Healthcare. Okay, healthcare, education. You know, the fact is, ma'am, Maharashtra at the moment, and I'm going to give Vinita therefore the final word. You know, no, 1 minute. You have spoken enough, ma'am. The fact is
This is
that
not
we...
fair. I want to tell about the farmers
No,
thing.
you cannot.
The MSP promise
Madam,
was
I will cut
by
this.
2000.
Ma'am, I will edit you out. The fact is, Vinita, this is a state where farmers have struggled. I see in Pune also you've had floods, you've had infrastructure problems. What would you put the 45,000 crores into? A final word.
Of course, into the civic amenities and public amenities, on road infrastructure, on water supply, on the dirty rivers, on the public health and education for our future citizens. Future is at stake. And do you know, Rajdeep, that on 8th of October, all the contractors, all Ladke contractors of the government, they in every district collector's office, they had a silent protest because 40,000 crore rupees dues have not been given to them. And when they protested, some was not allowed to protest. My point is, where is all this money going to come from the government to give it to the general janta? Are you just going to go on feeding like freebies?
Okay.
It is,
Whether it is freebie, whether you call it a
Are you not
freebie,
seeing
or
something?
whether...
Soya bean was promised by Devendra
Madam,
Fadnavis,
that's it.
6,000 MSP. Why have they given less now? He promised it in
Okay,
2014.
I've heard from all three of you.
We
My
have
time is up. No, my time is up
And
completely.
during our time, there were no
You know, if you all
suicides like this.
talk over each other, the audience cannot hear. Either way, Ladki Bahin, whether it's a game changer, will be decided by the voter. Whether the real issues have been addressed, whether it's Mengai or whether it is the state of infrastructure, let the voters decide, the voters of Pune and other parts of Maharashtra. For now, to all my guests, cool down, have a glass of water. Thank you very much for joining us. We'll be back in a moment with plenty more. You're watching Maharashtra Maza. Okay, now there are lots of battles within a battle in Maharashtra. None bigger than what's playing out in Baramati, not too far away from here in Pune. Pawar versus Pawar, the family wars that are tearing apart Maharashtra's political family number one. This time, it's Ajit Pawar versus his nephew, Yugendra Pawar. What's the mood on the ground and why is this battle so crucial? Take a look.
Sharad Pawar, the 8th of the 11 children of Govind Rao and Sharda Bhai Pawar, first entered the Maharashtra Assembly in 1967. Over the next 6 decades, he built a political empire, with his hometown Baramati as his base, pulling strings both in Delhi and in Mumbai. Ajit Pawar, the son of Sharad Pawar's brother Anant Rao, was seen as his heir apparent. Ajit stood by the senior Pawar when he walked out of the Congress to form his own outfit, the Nationalist Congress Party. The entry of Sharad Pawar's daughter Supriya Sule in politics unsettled the equations. For a while, it seemed all sorted out. Supriya in Delhi, Ajit in Baramati appeared to be the carefully crafted formula. But it all fell apart in 2019 when Ajit, who nursed ambitions of becoming the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, broke ranks with his uncle to join the NDA, only to be outwitted and brought back after a short stint as Deputy Chief Minister in a short-lived NDA government. 4 years later, he again left, this time taking majority of the NCP MLAs, the party and its symbol, leaving his uncle and political guru badly bruised. The split in the Pawar Parivar has been bitter and personal. In the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar fielded his wife Sunetra Pawar against Supriya Sule.
वहिनी और ताई के इस लड़ाई में आसान तो नहीं होगा।
जी आसान तो नहीं है, लेकिन आई हूँ, अभी लड़ रही हूँ।
आपकी उम्मीदवारी लोगों की मांग थी, क्योंकि दूसरी तरफ हम सुप्रिया ताई से मिले थे और उन्होंने कहा ये एक तरह से पारिवारिक लड़ाई नहीं है, विचारधारा की लड़ाई है। क्या आप
राजनीतिक विचारधारा की लड़ाई है?
तो आप और उनमें कोई ये नहीं है, फाइट नहीं है? सच बताइए, ये तो परिवार टूट गया है।
ये राजनीतिक विचारों की लड़ाई है, रिश्ता अलग है।
This is your toughest battle because you won here 3 times, but you're fighting your own family this time. Do you consider it's your toughest fight?
Not at all. See, time is the biggest healer. And I think when you first start, you feel, oh my God, it's emotional. But then you realize why you are into politics. You have to have complete clarity. This is not about my family. For me, it's the country first.
That round was won by Sharad Pawar hands down. Baramati did not forgive Ajit for betraying his uncle. He cut a lonely figure. Months later, it is Pawar versus Pawar again. NCP Sharad Pawar has fielded Yugendra, the son of Ajit's brother Srinivas Pawar, against him, a nephew to fight the uncle who took on his uncle.
आपने लोकसभा इलेक्शन के बाद कहा कि बारामती में फैमिली वर्सेस फैमिली की लड़ाई एक गलती थी, इससे चूक हो गई, लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगा। अभी भी हम लोग देख रहे हैं इस असेंबली इलेक्शन में भी लड़ाई तो फैमिली वर्सेस फैमिली ही है।
आप बोल रहे सही है, तब लड़ाई थी, तब गलती मेरी थी, इसीलिए बारामती वालों ने सुप्रिया को चुन के दिया। इस दफा मेरी गलती नहीं है, मैं अच्छे वोटों से चुन के आऊंगा।
Most people in political circles believe that the Pawar family will not end with assembly elections. And most of their supporters in Baramati hope that the feud will end with a reunion. Bureau Report, India Today.
Pawar versus Pawar. What does the Gen Next of the Pawar family, Yugendra Pawar, US educated, now taking on his uncle, have to say? I caught up with him earlier today in Baramati. Listen in. Now by Yugendra Pawar, who is contesting, making his debut election here in Baramati, 4th generation Pawar in a way. Let's be honest, you're taking on your uncle. This is a family fight, and that's why people feel that why is this happening? Why are the Pawar splitting apart? Are you being used to take on Ajit Pawar as part of this war between Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar?
Not at all. I think you know Mr. Pawar since many years, and I think anything that he does, he always does it in a positive way. So I don't think he will use somebody, especially not his grandson. The relation between a grandfather and a grandson is usually very different. And I don't think Pawar Sahab will do that. See, it's unfortunate, it's sad that it has come to this. But it would not have been like this if it would not have happened in the Lok Sabha. We had met in the Lok Sabha as well at Baramati at that time, and we spoke at length about, how these things are happening. But, they say once the bullet is fired, you can't take it back.
But you mentioned
this is something like that.
But you mentioned Lok Sabha, and interestingly, then it was Sunetra Pawar versus Supriya Sule. And then Sharad Pawar and to some extent Supriya seemed to hold Ajit Pawar responsible for putting up his wife against he was blamed for that, for making it a family war. Now Sharad Pawar or you and your father might be blamed that why are you being put up against Ajit Pawar? I mean, are you responsible this time?
Fair enough. See, today in this whole thing, I am a very junior member of the family, of the party, so I am a very small piece of the puzzle. If you want a better, real answer, you should speak to Mr. Pawar himself. He'll be able to give you.
No, I spoke to him also. I spoke to him also, and he didn't seem to be clear on just what he said. New generation. What he did tell me, I think it's time for a new generation to take over. Now, that argument could be made then, that why is Ajit Pawar not given his why does it need to be against Ajit Pawar? Why does Yogendra need to be against Ajit Pawar for the new generation to come through?
I got your point, but see, today, for many years, it was Pawar Saab and Ajit Dada that worked together, and that was their generation that worked together for, I think, close to 30-35 years until, whatever this split happened. And the new generation now is my generation. We are, as we say, millennials. So if we are coming into this field, I think it's good for
why against your uncle?
Everybody.
You see, the question is why should it be against your uncle? You could have done it against anyone else.
Fair enough. It's not that against uncle or anybody. It is somebody who has gone with the BJP, and always we've opposed the BJP ideology. We've always opposed the BJP, and because it just happens to be my uncle, that's the unfortunate part about it. No, but it's not a fight between the uncle, or it's not a family fight, at least not according to us. According to us, it's an ideological fight. It's a fight for the Congress ideology or the NCP ideology or Pawar Saab's ideology against the Hindutva ideology of the BJP.
One allegation which Narendra Modi in particular makes again and again, BJP, Parivarvad, that Pawar Sahib and your party practices Parivarvad. Supriya Sule, Rohit Pawar, even Ajit Pawar for a while, now Yogendra, all within the family. You want to control Baramati and keep it within the family.
See, that's not true. I think the people of Baramati, they decide who they want as their representative. Today there are 26 candidates that are contesting from Baramati.
But the control is with the Pawars.
No, but that's because the people are with the Pawars. The people are with the Pawar family. If the people, they go with somebody else, it's up to them, right? But just because our family has worked here for so many years, it's not correct to discount them.
No, Ajit Pawar said Gautam Adani, Amit Shah, Praful Patel, Ajit Pawar were all together, and Sharad Pawar encouraged the conversation with the BJP.
See, kya hai? Today, say if one of your journalists or one of your news anchors wants to go out and look out for better prospects, or wants to see what, say, somebody else, I won't take any other channel's names, but if somebody else is offering them something, it's all part of a negotiation thing. You don't have to take each and everything. Just because somebody is sent for negotiations doesn't mean that you have to actually jump ship. You can also talk, you can have dialogue. We all live in a democracy. We're all civilized people. Just because you talk to somebody, just because you meet with somebody, doesn't mean you're going to partner up with them.
Okay, I have a question about that. We met during Lok Sabha.
That's right.
How do you see the difference now, the Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha? In fact, we saw you for the first time during Lok Sabha in the political campaign. Earlier, it used to be only Sharad Pawar, Ajit Pawar and Supriya Sule. For the first time, we saw you. Now, what is the difference from Lok Sabha to Vidhan Sabha?
Look, kya hai ki I came in front of the media
for the first time.
For the first time in the Lok Sabha, but I've been campaigning ever since I was 10, 12 years old. Just at that time, you guys never took me seriously. But now, since the Lok Sabha, you all have been taking me a bit more seriously.
But is it only us who should take you seriously, or somebody else should take you seriously?
And giving me more attention in front of the media. I'm very grateful for that. But it's just how it has happened to be.
No, you said this is an ideological fight, but it is a fight also. I mean, we all see it as a fight for Baramati ka boss kaun. We saw it even in Lok Sabha, Baramati ka boss kaun. That time Sharad Pawar showed that he is the boss. It is also about that. Ajit Pawar, all said and done, has worked here for 30-35 years. He's built so many institutions. Can you deny that?
He's not built. You tell me one institution.
The Biotechnology Institute, you claim none of those institutes are built by him?
It's not my claim. If you go back and if you study the history of Baramati, it's a fact that it was brought by Mr. Pawar. So,
are you giving no credit to Ajit Pawar for the development of Baramati?
That's not fair. when it comes to the development of Baramati, I don't think it's any one person's claim or yogdan, contribution, not any one person's contribution. It's the entire Pawar family. It's all of our karyakartas. It's all the people that have supported us throughout the years. And it's a combination of everybody's small joint efforts, big, small, everything that contributes to the development of Baramati.
But is that family legacy being destroyed? When you fight each other like this, family legacies get destroyed.
It's quite sad. I mean, I understand your question and where you're coming from. I know it's unfortunate. I know it's quite sad. But it's not we who left. I am where I was yesterday. My family is where we were yesterday. We've not gone with any opposing ideology. We've not left the party. So, you know, it's sad that it had to happen this way.
Split to finish.
I'm too small of a member of the family and I'm just working in the district as a normal karyakarta. But I think the seniors should answer this question.
Could there be a realignment after the election? I mean, could the Pawars come together? You all come together for family function, Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali.
This time for the first time we saw that you were not together.
But is there a possibility of you all coming together after the election?
See, after the election,
Anything is possible?
Anything is possible, you know that.
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible, you know that. In politics, they say politics is the art of the possible. That's a saying in English.
So you're not ruling it out. You're not ruling out a family reconciliation.
No, it's because that I don't know, right? Like today, I'm just looking after Baramati Taluka. It's my first election, so I'm just going across the district. I'm just trying to campaign for myself wherever I can. And even if this decision does happen, it's not my decision to take. So because I'm such a junior karyakarta or such a, say, fresher in the scheme of things, when this decision is taken, it will be taken by the seniors in the party.
One final question. If Ajit Pawar comes walking down the road and meets you, what will you tell him? Ajit Pawar sir ithe aale, if he meets you across the road and he says, what will you say to Ajit Dada?
I'll not tell him anything.
What will you say?
I'll touch his feet and I'll ask him for his blessing. That's about it.
Not for forgiveness. Not for forgiveness.
What have I done?
For taking him on. For fighting him.
I'm not fighting him. I'm fighting the BJP. It just happens to be that he is being supported by the BJP.
Okay. I'm going to leave it there, Yogendra. US returned graduate and has worked now in Baramati and is making his political debut. 50 years, the Sharad Pawar family has dominated Baramati. This time, whoever wins, it will be a Pawar. Correct. Whether it is Ajit Pawar or Yogendra Pawar, jo jeetega wo Pawar hi hoga, right?
That's right. But it's not because of that. It's because the Pawar family has contributed a lot to the development of Baramati. Everybody has.
Okay.
And that's why the people of Baramati, they want somebody from the Pawar family and specifically somebody supported by Mr. Sharad Pawar.
Okay, we've heard from Yogendra Pawar. We'll of course get many more voices. You're watching Maharashtra Maza. Okay, that's all that we could pack in on this episode of Maharashtra Maza from Pune. But when you're in Pune, the first thing you've got to do is try some traditional Maharashtrian delicacies, especially the sweets. So the first thing I did when I came here was to head to a Puran Poli shop. That's the sweet roti that we so love in this part of the world. And I tasted different types of Puran Poli. You too should when you're next here. For now, stay well, stay safe. Good night, Shubhratri. Jai Hind, Namaskar. Puna Parat Bhetu. We'll meet again. Bye for now. Okay, now if you are in Pune, one of the things that you have to do is have this Puran Poli. I'm at Bhaskar's Puran Poli Ghar, and I'll tell you why in a moment. There is something very special about the Puneri Puran Poli that people like me miss when we are in Delhi. Come with me for a slice of Puran Poli. Madam, कसे आहात? Puran Poli घरचं Puran Poli तयार की नाही? मला दाखवा. Let us show the world what is a Puran Poli. Puran Poli is sweet poli made out of gur. So pineapple, dal, coconut, excellent. Carrot, gajar, khajur. My God, I have never had so many different varieties of Puran Poli. Badam. Wow. chocolate puran poli. क्या बनाते हो यार? Maharashtrians have a sweet tooth. हाँ? आम्हाला गोड आवडतं. It's puran poli time. बघा 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 कसं करतोय मी. उठा लू मैं बास्केट में. Rajdeep Sardesai has made a puran poli. एक कुठली गरम आहे. गाजरचं. ओ हो आज आपने मेरी नानी की याद दिला दी. फर्स्ट क्लास. गाजर, चॉकलेट, दाल, पाइनएप्पल, बादाम. खाते रहो पुरण पोली. But be careful of your cholesterol. When you are in Pune next, try Puran Poli for sure if you have a sweet tooth. Rajdeep Sardesai in Pune for Maharashtra Maza.